who needs to file Form 1040S for estimated taxes. Imagine this. You earn income that isn't taxed at the source, and you want to avoid surprises when tax season arrives. That's where understanding who should file Form 1040S comes in. This form is used to pay estimated taxes throughout the year. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 in federal income tax after subtracting your withholding and refundable credits, you probably need to file this form. The goal is to pay enough during the year so you don't face penalties for underpayment. If you are self-employed, such as a freelancer, independent contractor, or own a small business like a sole proprietorship or partnership, you usually need to file Form 1040S. These jobs typically don't have taxes automatically taken out of your pay, so you're responsible for making quarterly payments. The same applies if you have income from sources like interest, dividends, rental properties, or capital gains, where no taxes are withheld. People receiving retirement benefits or unemployment benefits might also need to make estimated payments if taxes are not being withheld voluntarily or not enough to cover their tax bill. If your withholding and refundable credits are less than the smaller of 90% of your current year's expected tax or 100% of last year's tax, you should consider making estimated payments. On the other hand, if you had no tax liability last year and you are a U.S. citizen or resident, you might not need to file Form 1040S. But if you expect to owe taxes this year, it's a good idea to estimate your liability and plan your payments. Making these quarterly payments helps spread out your tax burden, so you're not hit with a big bill all at once. Using the worksheets included with the form or tax software can help you figure out how much to pay each quarter. This way, you can stay on top of your taxes and avoid penalties for underpayment. Remember, the key is to pay enough during the year to meet your tax obligations based on your income and deductions. If you expect to owe at least $1,000 after credits and withholding, you should file Form 1040S and make your estimated payments on time. This simple step can make tax season much less stressful and keep your finances on track.